scenario, we chose global war. A global war is a war that involves most of the principal nations. There are many things that could cause a global war, including opposing interests between countries and a significant change in power. There are already many threats that could cause a global war. The Russian government is invading Ukraine a lot, and global war is an existing threat. Global war could end the world because radiation would destroy inhabited territories, which would spread around. Lastly, radiation could end in a nuclear apocalypse. We chose global war because we believed it would be the most likely to happen, and we have already had 2 world wars. Our media sources are War of the Worlds, On the Beach, The Road, and How the End Begins. For our second scenario, we chose black hole. A black hole is caused when the center of a very massive star collapses in upon itself. There are 3 types of black holes: stellar, supermassive, and Sagittarius, which is the largest. The intense gravitational pull of a black hole would tear our planet apart, causing devastating earthquakes and supervolcanoes. You wouldn't notice anything particular as you fell into a black hole. Instead, you would appear to slow down and hover just outside. You could get dimmer and redder until you were efficiently lost from sight. We chose this because they happen in space a lot, and there's a chance that one could reach Earth. Movies that are about black holes are The Black Hole, Through the Wormhole, Death by Black Hole, and The Black Hole Game. For our third scenario, we chose ecosystem collapse. Ecosystem collapse is when there are so many organisms that the ecosystem will collapse amongst itself. The ecosystem could collapse due to overpopulation, merging climate, food, water, ocean, soil, justice, poverty, and old-growth forestry, all which are to some degree caused by inequitable overpopulation. They are destroying ecosystems and it threatens to pull down our one shared biosphere. 50% of natural landscapes are already gone. Many coastal ecosystems have collapsed, including a large mass of coral reefs. We chose this because many ecosystems have already collapsed and there has been a lot of climate change in the amount of organisms. Movies about ecosystem collapse are WALL-E and The Day After Tomorrow. Books about ecosystem collapse are Global Collapse, Fact or Fiction, and the Collapse of Complex Societies. We decided that the most likely to least likely was global war, black hole, and ecosystem collapse.